Hi everyone, let's crochet a simple granny square step by step, perfect for beginners. Grab your yarn and let's start. We're using a medium thickness yarn and a size 3 hook. First, make a magic ring. Chain 3, then crochet 7 double crochets. Tighten the magic ring and join at the top of the first 3 chains. Chain 1. Slightly loosen the loop, yarn over, insert into the space below and pull up. Repeat this 6 times. Chain 4. Then in the next space, do the same yarn over 6 times and pull through. Chain 4. We now have 8 clusters. Finally, chain 4 and join to the top of the first cluster. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. The first 2 rounds are ready. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the space between clusters and secure the loop. Chain 1 and continue the same way. Yarn over, pull through 6 times, then join all together. Chain 4 and make 1 cluster into the same space. We place another peanut in the same space. Chain 3. In the next space, crochet 4 double crochet. Add a cluster in the next space and chain 3 in between. Chain 4 and make another cluster in the same space. Chain 3, then in the next space crochet 4 double crochet. Chain 3 and crochet 2 clusters in the next space. Continue this way to the end of the row. At the end, chain 3 and join to the top of the cluster. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the space. Chain 1 again, then into the cluster, crochet 1 cluster, 4 double crochets, 1 cluster. Chain 4 and add 1 more cluster. Chain 3, then increase the 4 double crochets to 8. Crochet 2 double crochets into the next space. Add 4 more double crochets on top of the previous 4. Crochet 2 more double crochets into the space. We now have 8 double crochets in total. Chain 3. Then add clusters between the existing clusters. Chain 4 and make a cluster in the same space. Chain 3. Repeat the same pattern across the row. At the end, join to the top of the cluster. Chain 1, slip stitch into the space and chain 1. Add clusters into the spaces where the previous clusters are. Chain 4 and make the cluster. Chain 3, then increase 8 double crochets to 12. Crochet 2 double crochets into the next space. Crochet double crochets on top of the previous ones. In the last space, crochet 2 double crochets, chain 3, then add clusters in between clusters, chain 4 and make another cluster, chain 3, increase to 12 double crochets, continue this way to the end of the row. The row is done. Chain 3, join to the top of the cluster, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Cut the tail and weave it into the clusters to hide it. Your motif is ready. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy crocheting!